You think your cybersecurity plan's great until everything goes wrong. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. When incident response plans fail, the fallout can be brutal. Some IT outages can even cost companies a whopping $2 million per hour. Although data breaches are handled quickly before they spiral out of control, but the money and time is lost, and it can even come with legal trouble. But why do incident response plans fail? The top reason would be bad planning. Some plans are vague and outdated that fall apart in real-world chaos. Others are like legal documents that no one can follow under pressure. Plans must be technical enough to guide actions, but clear enough the responders understand their roles. Bad things can happen when no one knows who's in charge or what they're supposed to do during an incident. Having a leader who knows the plan can actually save you from trouble. And then there's the tool problem. Plans are perfect access to systems, backups, and vendors, but when there's an attack and backups fall, monitoring tools go dark. Third-party providers don't pick up the phone or demand surprise emergency fees. Rigid plans are another killer. Most are written for ideal conditions without taking weekends, missing staff, and broken systems into account. Real incidents make you take hours of decisions in minutes, overwhelming teams with alerts and questions. Testing is where many organizations fail. Untested plans without regular drills and realistic simulations are the worst. Senior leaders often skip the testing, although it's actually important. Plans also fail when security teams forget to loop in legal, PR, HR, and business leaders, leaving huge communication gaps behind at the time when it really matters. And finally, we're all human, so fear, fatigue, and hesitation and burnout can get in the way too. A good response plan should be clear and flexible, especially when it's time for chaos. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.